Behold the final product Iibug, a beautifully handcrafted clay water pot. Its curves are elegant, its texture smooth. But how does a lump of earth transform into this timeless piece? Let's dive into the traditional craft behind it. Clay collection. It all starts with sourcing the perfect clay. Artisans dig deep into the earth to extract clay-rich soil. This raw material is filled with natural impurities which are carefully filtered out. Only the purest, most pliable clay is chosen for shaping. Clay preparation. The filtered clay is soaked in water and left to settle. Once soft, it's mixed and kneaded thoroughly, and either by foot or hand, to achieve the right consistency. This stage is essential. Smooth, elastic clay is the backbone of a strong pot. Shaping the base. The potter now places the prepared clay on a spinning wheel. With skilled hands, the lump of clay begins to rise, curve, and stretch into form. From a solid mass to a hollow vessel, Itatiemos is all done in moments with precision and experience. Forming the neck and rim. After shaping the base, the artisan elongates the top to form the narrow neck and wide mouth. Key features for water storage. The rim is curved evenly, sometimes given a slight lip for ease of handling. Every detail matters. Drying process. Once shaped, the pot is carefully removed from the wheel and left to dry in open air. Sun drying hardens the surface, reducing moisture. This process can take hours or even days depending on the weather. The pot must remain crack-free and even. Smoothing and finishing touches. With the pot semi-dry, artisans use natural tools, stones, cloth, or wooden blades, to polish the surface. Edges are refined. The pot may be engraved or left smooth. It's the stage where roughness transforms into finesse. Firing in kiln. Now it's time for transformation. Pots are loaded into a traditional kiln, often built from earth and brick. Firewood heats the kiln gradually to temperatures over 900 degrees Celsius. The heat changes the clay's structure, making it solid, water-resistant, and durable. This is where the pot gains its final strength. Final product reveal. Once cooled, the pots are removed sturdy, earthy, and ready for use. These handmade water pots aren't just functional, they're sustainable, eco-friendly, and deeply connected to cultural heritage. A living example of age-old craftsmanship still alive today,